I'm gonna do something really stupid.
Cleans like a shampoo, cares like a mask, more than a shampoo. Don't mind if I do.
So just when I thought this product, company, hair product company, cannot make any more claims as far as product is concerned, and they come up with this. We are about to find out. Just so you know, this video today is only gonna be just about this shampoo. I'm not going to be showing you how I detangle, how I do my mask after this, but I will show you what I'm going to use briefly. I'm due for a protein treatment, so I'm using this Mazuri hair mayonnaise. I will be detangling in the shower with that, and I'll be following this up with the Mazuri hair mayonnaise. So it's L'Oreal Elvive Dream Length more than a shampoo, cleans like a shampoo, acts like a mask, cares like a mask, right? Come true. There's only one way to settle this fight.
So let's get one thing straight. This is a sulfate shampoo. Make no mistake about that. Here is their claim. They have this product in the extraordinary for dry hair and also for color protect on this range. When I squeeze the tube, because obviously it's very soft, a lump came out. I swear to God, I did not mean to get all that product out. Consistency is like a conditioner, if not thicker. Smells really good, just like any other product on this range. Really creamy, quite rich consistency. It went on my scalp nicely, like a conditioner would. Guys, at 5 months post, be prepared to be blown away. So you're gonna understand in a minute why I dedicate a nearly 11 minutes video for just a shampoo. Be prepared to be blown away.
What the hell? What is going on here? It feels like I've applied the conditioner to my hair. What?
No, you are not seeing things. It's exactly how this product is making my hair feel. Seriously, what the hell? My hair felt so soft. Now, at 5 months post, this entitled me to say this is going to be great for people with natural hair. Hands down.
Okay, let me rinse this out first. I want to do a second lather. Still lathers. It still lathers very well. But my hair is actually soft. I'm gonna do something really stupid. Look. This is a shampoo, not a conditioner. Shampoo. What the hell? I'm practically combing my hair through. Look. These people have killed me. My hair is not breaking either. That's shredded hair. I'm gonna swear. What the fuck? It's a shampoo, guys. Let me just remind you that. Okay, let me finish washing this and we'll see if it actually cleans. I mean, it lathered up quite well. Okay, moment of truth. Okay, here is a catch. There is a catch.
The catch was this product is just over £3. L'Oreal are gonna do anything to make their money worth. I nearly used a full bottle when I was done with this wash day. Now, a regular shampoo, the consistency of it is quite liquidy. So when you take a little amount, it just spreads through, don't it? But being that this have a conditioner consistency, I feel like you need more to cover a little area. So yes, it's making your hair or making my hair soft. As you can see, my hand is gliding through my hair while the shampoo is in. While the product is in my hair, it's making it extremely soft, especially the new growth. But I'm using way more than I would have if it was just a regular shampoo. No doubt, this is one of a kind product and it will definitely be remaining in my hair routine. Since that it's a surface shampoo, I will be using this once a month. The softness that I give to my hair is very close to the softness you will expect to get on a surface-free shampoo. My scalp was really clean. Knowing that it's a surface shampoo, I did not get that squiggly clean feeling. I love this product. I really do. But I will still reserve this as a once a month shampoo for my hair. Definitely will be using this weekly. In conclusion, I think someone with natural hair will love this product. I applied that conditioner on and detangle like a half of my hair. That's all the hair that came out. Because once this product went on the scalp, the new growth wasn't all matted up together. That was a great bonus. Not having new growth stick together and tangled up what shampoo, no regular shampoo normally do, is a great bonus to this product. So if your hair is natural, I think you are gonna love this product big time. This is Surrender Keeper. So everything is all washed and rinsed out. My hair is feeling great. Let me just remind you guys that all I've done is wash my hair with that product and apply that conditioner on and detangle, and that's it. This is what you get. I have not done my treatment yet. Just keep that in mind. If you think this product is not awesome, that is just your problem. Until you've given it a try, you have no way of finding out. So find it out by yourself. L'Oreal They've done it again. They have done it again with this product. Love it. Love it.